Your porch, your patio, your balcony. They are waiting to be transformed. No large yard needed, no expensive landscaping crew required. Just the right plants in the right pots, and within a few weeks, your outdoor space will look like something out of a garden magazine. The secret? Choosing plants that grow fast, look stunning, and actually love living in containers. Sam here with Seniors Gardening Advice, and in this video, we are counting down 8 of the most beautiful, fast-growing container plants that will give your outdoor space a total makeover, season after season. Whether you are brand new to container gardening or you've been doing this for years, there's something on this list for everyone. Before we get going, if you find this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a fellow gardener, and hit that subscribe button down below. The Seniors Gardening Advice community grows a little more wonderful every single day, and we are so glad you're part of it. Drop a comment below and tell us which of these plants are already growing on your porch. Let us know. Now, let us get into the plants. A quick word before we start. Container basics that change everything. One thing most gardeners overlook is that the container itself matters as much as the plant. Always use a pot with drainage holes at the bottom. Roots sitting in standing water will rot, and your plant will decline quickly. Light-colored containers are also worth choosing over dark ones if your patio gets strong summer sun. Dark pots absorb more heat, which can burn delicate roots from the outside in. Use a quality potting mix designed specifically for containers. Never scoop soil straight from the garden bed. Container soil needs to be lightweight and moisture-retaining, yet well-draining at the same time. And don't forget to fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced water-soluble fertilizer, because nutrients in container soil wash out faster than in ground beds. These small details are what separate thriving container plants from struggling ones.
Plant number 1. Mint. Let us start with a plant that earns its place in every container garden. Mint. This classic herb is one of the most enthusiastic growers you'll ever come across, and that is actually why it must be grown in pots rather than in the ground. Left to spread freely in a garden bed, mint will take over everything around it within a single season. In a container, though, mint is absolutely ideal. It fills the pot quickly, smells wonderful, and gives you a constant supply of fresh leaves for teas, cooking, and homemade drinks. A classic clay pot gives it that traditional kitchen garden charm, but any container with a good drainage hole works perfectly. Keep the soil evenly moist. Mint does not like to dry out completely, and place it somewhere with good sun. Zones 3 to 9, growing 12 to 24 inches tall. Even if you've never grown anything before, mint is where to start. Plant number 2, Star Jasmine. Few things improve an outdoor sitting area as quickly as a beautifully scented vine, and Star Jasmine delivers that in abundance. This climbing plant produces clusters of small white flowers that release a sweet, clean fragrance that fills the air around your porch or patio on warm evenings. In a large container, Star Jasmine works beautifully as a vertical centerpiece. Train it up a small obelisk or trellis placed right inside the pot, and it creates instant height and drama. Pair it with shorter trailing plants like sweet potato vine around the base, and the entire arrangement looks professionally designed. It thrives in zones 8 to 11, prefers full to partial sun, and needs well-draining soil. If you want your outdoor space to smell as good as it looks, Star Jasmine is the plant for the job. Plant number 3, Silver Shield. This one is a designer's secret weapon. Silver Shield, botanical name Plectranthus argentatus, is a striking foliage plant with soft, felt-textured leaves coated in a silvery gray color. On its own, it is beautiful, but as a backdrop for brighter flowers, it is transformative. The silver tone of the leaves makes every color around it more vivid. Reds pop, purples deepen, yellows glow. Silver Shield can trail gracefully over the side of a pot or spread low between other plants as a ground-level filler. It grows rapidly in summer heat, but unlike many warm-season plants, it can also manage cooler temperatures reasonably well. It's also fairly forgiving of irregular watering, making it an excellent choice for beginner container gardeners. Zones 10 to 11, partial shade, well-drained soil. Pair it with any bold colored flower and watch the whole container come alive.
We are halfway through the list, and if any of these plants are speaking to your inner gardener, do not forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves container gardening. Every share helps this channel reach more gardeners just like you, and we truly appreciate it. Now, back to the plants. Plant number 4, Black and Bloom Salvia. For gardeners who love drama and color, Black and Bloom Salvia, known botanically as Salvia guaranitica, is a showstopper. The deep blue-purple flowers sit inside dark, almost black calices, creating a rich, moody contrast that photographs beautifully and catches the eye from across a garden. This plant is a summer powerhouse. It grows vigorously in warm weather, tolerates heat and humidity surprisingly well, and even handles brief dry spells. As a bonus, it is a magnet for pollinators and hummingbirds, so placing it where you can watch the activity is a real garden pleasure. There is one maintenance task to stay on top of: regular deadheading. When old blooms are removed, the plant responds by pushing out fresh flowers continuously throughout the season. Without deadheading, flowering slows down noticeably. Zones 8 to 10, full sun, fertile, well-drained soil. This is one plant that rewards a little attention with extraordinary results. Plant number 5, Hydrangeas. Hydrangeas in containers are one of gardening's greatest rewards. These beautiful shrubs produce large, lush flower clusters that return season after season with minimal effort, making them exceptional value for any container garden. The Pop Star Big Leaf Hydrangea variety is particularly well suited to pot life. It blooms reliably each year, stays compact enough for a planter box, and produces flowers in shades of pink, blue, or purple depending on the soil pH, a fascinating natural phenomenon. If you want blue flowers, a more acidic soil encourages that shift in color. One important tip for hydrangeas in pots: morning shade with softer, dappled afternoon sun suits them far better than harsh midday exposure. The soil must stay moist but never waterlogged. In zones 4 to 9, hydrangeas are a reliable returning investment that gets better and more established with each passing season. Plant number 6, Anise tree. The anise tree is one of the most underrated container plants available, and it is particularly well suited for shady outdoor spots where other flowering plants struggle to perform. The banana appeal variety is a favorite among container gardeners for its bright golden yellow leaves that instantly brighten dim corners or shaded porches. It provides lush, dramatic foliage even when sunlight is limited, something very few plants manage to do. Place it in a large container as a bold focal point, or surround it with contrasting deep green plants for a striking layered display. Here is something genuinely fun about this plant. When a leaf is broken in half, it releases a distinct anise scent, which makes it a wonderful sensory conversation piece for anyone visiting your garden. Growing it in a container also keeps it easily accessible for exactly that kind of interaction. Zones 7 to 9, partial sun to full shade, moist, well-draining soil. If your shady porch has felt lacking, this is your answer. Plant number 7, Begonias. Begonias are among the most reliable container flowering plants on this entire list, and they deserve far more attention than they typically receive. They bloom almost continuously from spring through autumn, require surprisingly little fuss, and come in an enormous range of colors, including white, coral, red, orange, and deep pink. The Bossa Nova variety stands out particularly for hanging baskets. Its naturally trailing growth habit and angled blooms create a cascading effect that draws the eye beautifully downward through the arrangement. The frilly, ruffled flowers add a softness and elegance that works in both modern and traditional garden styles. One important note: begonias prefer shade. Full shade is ideal. This makes them perfect for porches, covered patios, or spots under trees where sunlight never quite reaches. They need moist, rich, well-draining soil and reward consistent care with an almost endless supply of colorful blooms. Zones 6 to 10, 12 to 24 inches tall. Plant number 8, Climbing Rose.
For sheer visual impact, nothing beats a climbing rose growing up a trellis or structure in a large container. And yes, climbing roses absolutely can thrive in pots, as long as the container is generously sized and the plant is well fed. The Above and Beyond variety is one of the fastest-growing climbing roses available, producing a profusion of warm apricot-colored blooms on long, arching canes. Planted in a large container near a house wall, a pergola post, or a freestanding obelisk, this rose can add several feet of height to a container display in a single season. The combination of vertical growth, abundant blooms, and that warm, peachy color makes it one of the most photographed plants in any garden. Pruning back in early spring encourages fresh, vigorous growth and stronger blooming throughout the season. Feed regularly with a rose-specific fertilizer and ensure the soil never dries out completely. Full sun, well-draining soil. Zones vary, but most modern climbing varieties are quite adaptable. Bonus tip: the thriller, filler, spiller method. Before wrapping up, here's one of the most useful container gardening techniques to know. When designing a pot or container arrangement, think in 3 categories. The thriller, a tall, dramatic centerpiece plant like star jasmine on a trellis or an anise tree. The filler, mid-height plants that surround the centerpiece and fill the pot, like salvia or begonias. And the spiller, trailing plants that cascade over the edges, like sweet potato vine or silver shield. When these 3 types work together, a container instantly looks full, layered, and professionally arranged. This simple framework works for every single plant on today's list. And there you have it, 8 fast-growing, beautiful, container-friendly plants that can transform any porch, patio, or balcony into a stunning garden display, no matter how small the space. From the fragrant star jasmine to the dramatic black and bloom salvias, from the endlessly blooming begonias to the magnificent climbing rose, every one of these plants offers something genuinely special. Container gardening is one of the most joyful, flexible, and rewarding forms of gardening there is. You control the soil, the placement, and the design. You can move things around. You can experiment. And with fast-growing plants like these, the results come quickly and keep coming season after season. Sam here with Seniors Gardening Advice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a gardening friend who could use some fresh inspiration. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss a new episode, and leave a comment below telling us your absolute favorite container plant. We read every single comment and love hearing from this wonderful community. Until next time, keep your hands in the soil and your pots full of beautiful things. Happy gardening!